Hey guys, it's me Maxim here from MA4NZ Productions, and I'm here with my cross-country flight. I'm actually quite glad I was finally able to do it because of the good weather that we're having, finally. The bad thing is, absolutely nothing. The cross-country was successful. The only funny thing about it is that I went 6 miles north of course. So basically, I was supposed to be on the right side of Lake Geneva and not left. So that's that. But anyways, as I am continuing to say this, the thing that I was not able to do today was the airshow practice. I'm doing that on Friday, and then the airshow itself on Saturday as I wanted. Today I did plan for it, but since the end up process of calculating the winds with the cross country, you guys know this, so that just took time, and that caused us not, and also the headwind also took time. So all we did was just pass over it. I honestly, as you can see, I did not even find it. You will see, I just flew over as my parents described to me. They said that I just flew over and then turned back. I had to because of the time, because my instructor has students. You know, I'm not the only one. I wish. But yeah, so that was that, and that was the flight. So all I have to do is let you watch the video, because if I don't, you're probably gonna click away. So let's get started. Alright, okay, you landed. Alright, Schaumburg traffic, Sky 5399 kilos, departing runway 11, Schaumburg.
I'm actually going to close my window here because I don't want anything to fly out of here, just in
case.
Yeah.
Alright.
When we get up there, it'll be nice and cool.
Alright, soft field, short.
Let's do a soft field.
Oh yeah.
Nose down, nose down, nose down. There you go. Gentle on the controls, gentle on the controls.
Alright, there we are, and...
Oh, no, we're not quite at 60. There's 60, there we go. Now we'll pitch back up. Climb out of 60 to 65. There we go. And when do we bring our flaps up, do you remember? When we're 100 feet.
100 feet.
Yep.
What? The plane right there is low already, but it's on final, so...
Yep. Let's go ahead and we will make a left turn, and let's get onto our course here. What's our first course that we wanted to select?
310 to the Fox River, 2,500. So after our ring here, after the garbage hill, we'll climb.
Okay, and what was our heading?
310.
Was it, or was it 313?
Oh, 313.
Yep, so that's why we did all that flight planning down there, okay?
Alright.
Alright, so are we on our heading here? We want to be on 310, so this is where I would put our little heading bug right on 310 there. And this is where it's very important to set our heading, so let's turn right about another 10 degrees here.
There we are, alright.
And so we'll set our heading here, and we need to turn right about 10 more degrees. Alright, and so we want to pick a point off in the distance and fly straight towards that point while we're on this heading here, okay?
Alright, I got wireframes, so I'll do that.
Okay. And what power setting did we select? I believe we selected 2400, right?
There it is. Schaumburg traffic, Cessna 9. So Romeo's 2 north, we'll enter midfield left downwind, 11 Schaumburg.
Alright, so where's our first checkpoint here? Okay, let's get out our chart here. So, oh, I had it folded open for you there.
Car park 6307 Mike.
So we're passing over the Fox River.
Right here. For traffic, 8580, approach left down. We're going to go straight for landings, kind of on our left, right here.
Okay. So let's find landings condominium out here. Where's I-90 right here?
Is that I-90? Traffic, turning final for runway.
Yes, this is I-90 right here. So I-90 and the Fox River is right here, okay? Alright, so we're south of that. Let's find where I-90 and the Fox River cross there. It's right there. So we're actually a little bit south of our course here, okay? So we'll have to turn a little bit to the right here to get back on our course, okay? Why don't we get out our...
Visibility 10, temperature 29 North Celsius, altimeter 3015, density altitude 2,500, condensation altitude 9,500.
So we passed the Fox River.
Traffic,
So we passed the Fox River.
Traffic, looking 97 Bravo, midfield, left downwind, runway 8, turn L2 1600. We passed the Fox River, now we can climb.
Or not, so what time is it now that we're passing landings?
3:20.
It's
3:25. 27.
It's 2:27 there.
Oh, 2:27, my bad.
Yep, no, it's okay. So it's 2:27, so let's write that down on our sheet of paper down there.
Yeah, great.
But here, why don't we put some of this stuff in the back and we'll go for it later, okay? Or we'll leave the chart up here.
Alright.
We need the chart. So we can put all that in the back and I'll grab it for us later.
Alright.
Alright, so where is Union? And it's right next to another town called Marengo, right?
Yep.
Alright, so do you see any towns in front of us or maybe off to our right because we keep creeping over, so let's turn the airplane to our right here. There we go. And we'll listen to the Janesville.
Janesville, 7 Wisconsin Regional Airport Information X-ray. 1845 Zulu weather. Wind 160 at 10. Visibility 10. Sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 31, dew point 9. The altimeter 3012. Visual approach runway 14 in use. Notice to airmen, parachute jumping in progress at the Beloit Airport from 14,500 within a 3-mile radius. Advise on initial contact you have X-ray.
Alright, so write down X-ray. Write down the wind.
Janesville, 7 Wisconsin Regional Airport Information X-ray. 1845 Zulu weather. Wind 160 at 10. Visibility 10. Sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 31.
Just shut up. What are the winds?
Winds are 160 at 10, and there's parachute jumping. We got information X-ray.
0 at 6. Visibility 10. Clear.
Alright, so what's our frequency?
Now we have to go to the tower to 118.8.
Okay. upstream our touchdown point, so let's start our landing process here.
Janesville Tower, Cessna 408, Echo Sierra, midfield for runway 14.
Cessna 8 Echo Sierra number 2, following a Cessna on a close-in right downwind about to turn base.
Number 2, following Cessna traffic, 8 Echo Sierra. We have traffic, 8 Echo Sierra.
Cessna 8 Echo Sierra, say again.
We had traffic in sight, 8 Echo Sierra.
Cessna 8 Echo Sierra, very good. He is a touch and go, runway 14 for you.
I didn't too early.
Land on 14, 8 Echo Sierra.
So just keep the power where it's at.
This is a big run.
Yep. Nose up, nose up, nose up.
Saw that bird too, right?
That looked like a little insect or something. I saw that video you posted on the Facebook website. What were you trying to show on that landing? Do you remember?
The bird.
Oh, okay.
It went on, right when we touched down, I zoomed in on it, and it was a bird. It was bad quality, but I realized, like, whoa.
Yeah.
And the scary part, at the time, I did not notice. Alright, let's see. Janesville Tower, Sky 539 Kilo is requesting frequency change. Okay, mine might not be working.
Here, let me see.
Janesville Tower, Sky 5.
Yeah, it's working. It's transmitting. So here, let me. Janesville Tower, Cessna 539 Kilo. Would like to request a frequency change, please.
Cessna 9 Kilo, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved. Have a good day. Thanks for your help. 539 Kilo.
So, if this is not working, then what I said departing Schaumburg, no one heard it?
No, it's transmitting. So I see that it's transmitting here. Let's. That's definitely transmitting.
Testing. Alright, so that has to get checked.
Maybe you're not holding it down hard enough, or I don't know. So we'll.
You held it down yourself and I did it. And still nothing.
I held it down just briefly to see if it was transmitting or not. Then I lifted it up.
Still, we were in the frequency. I said something, but now I would have asked.
Well, maybe he didn't catch all of it or something, so who knows. Alright, so we're at 35 or close to it, and we'll And there we go, we'll just step back down here.
That was something that I did not expect on this flight.
What?
This.
It's working, so.
Maybe it's the sound of my voice.
Yeah, maybe that too, or I don't know. I don't know. I'll have the mechanic take a look at it, make sure that there isn't something wrong with it there. But from what looks of it, it looks like it was transmitting. So.
Yeah.
And this is the Arlington racetrack here. So.
Alright. But that water tower I know.
Okay.
So I believe. Is that it?
We're getting pretty close to Milwaukee's and O'Hare's airspace here. So.
Yeah.
Why don't we head back to Schaumburg here? Yeah, because this is Arlington Heights here, so.
There's rolling meadows.
And this is a little bit of rolling meadows a little bit south of us. This is downtown Schaumburg, and Schaumburg is really,
But it's in that area, so.
okay.
So this is what I meant, this intersection right here, this is what I meant. So can we still do it?
We're getting pretty close on time-wise here, so why don't we come back in, and we'll be able to. We'll find it next time. I'm very, very confident of that. So.
Correct.
Still considered high, really?
That is based off of a 3-degree glide slope. So that's a glide slope that jets and other high-performance airplanes will fly rather than a small piston-driven propeller.
Alright, because I was like, yeah, that looks kinda normal to me.
So we could have pulled up the nose a little bit more, just to get that nose up, and we can make this exit here.
Yep.
Remember to add that back pressure as we're braking, okay?
Yep.
So Echo is on the back.
And we'll go back in and park it.
Yep.
Wherever you are in the world, share your aviation. Share Aviation, a network for pilots by pilots.
Pull my heart out of my chest, train my mind so I forget. Sink your teeth into my bones, dig me out, then fill the hole. Tear me apart, why?